Sham na Abagentina, how am I gonna move and we are self and no Yatana said Naya Daniatre Edmamo. Cassia boy Efrin cry ha. Ebafa Sompa Asante Mantemu 93.1. Ayuko 100.9 1 by Fabi Afei. Ada for Radio, our Paris, France Abuch Memo. Cassia boy and a 1 more 8 Wakwa Takwa, Aya Sompa 101.1 Takrate, Sompa 103.3, and Maureen Fissa Chimana so yetem, Ebra Wabapa, and Nadeshian so afabie eno aye 106.1 na woko sunyane ya 98.9 ena fe nkwanza ya sompa 90.7 emarenfi se doma aye 101.3 manke sim kingdom one mother romantic ase bono enemu a wamanfo no afabi honom aye 106.1 afei doma fm so afabi 100.7 doma krono a ena decoder no so ya sompa fm o emarenfi some information centers no ebrobes watching hu hwi wan mo nyina fakase boya ededem babia Ghana jodo ni jada wo so de enya asem keto makana sheban radio yedam wase yedam live aye share wo Facebook ni YouTube no aya Sompa 106.5 Accra Sompa 106.5 Accra and some doya yede bra wo enenumre no wo kwa www.sompaonline.com wa wo benya bi no wakenkan na enami ya me no wode ahia minute no waduasa ebekenkan sana kase abo no wo pemu no wankasa aba no metin ene AKOSUA AGYEIWAAH KWADIE boaten afa yenje brenensem no yenda na yechire emfa ema Sani Ghana fo nyina animuo no ene aya fofida ebimu bisasa fofida we kura no yede yeda da bia Ghana ye holiday di ye wa fofida di sa ye betena fie na so afofida no akasa mu nkyerechiremu ene botaye nti aye die no aya na mpempenu anu nipa dodo no anim ewom se na aya adwumafo da ye wosenka adwumafo adwodwo ye ho ebimu kura mpo da da mu ne ade na won mo hwe hia se wom so ka ho bi na Ghana ye kokko ye nimuo wo man no sabio sika bochara won mo nyina no egina adwumafo so won mo mu di pa won mo so eye office adwuma nyina no won nyina ka ho bi na eso enam so nti enne wo kofori dua poye mantamu na anya sam keto ma Ghana mampanyi ye Roger Dramani Mahama kokasaye ye wo bo adwumafo nyina ba so kira se won ma yade won ka ho bi na Ghana ye nkan kwa ne ye yo egusuada egina so na ye nkan kwa kire ye kwa wo so na ye no panyi pa ye bana pedie mu nsam wo wabene mu yewra Abraham yale akwakodi ho enkomo obanye kase mu adwo
Mejosi obinyaba.
Mama wadwuma nso.
Juma.
Anda ya fofida. Na Ghana de ya fofida na ya na doso. Eduma bia na mu nkyerechire mu no kura no yense da ntiase ye die ntia fofida no ye de ama ye se ye ni. Na yase na ye Mayday adwumafo da ya ye die ye ka adwumafo da eye ho amu ne adwumafo na ho amu nso na ye ka won ho asemu yi.
So ye ka adwumafo a bato wote menka
mi chopa
ye ka adwumafo a edudaka formal sector and non-formal sector abo ye sebeta aban adwuma senia ye wo ye ni bi bosom ye betu awaka ne won ko obinim so anko amo aye modwuma ebi ye de bojo ye dwuma oton ade okomakola kejetia takwa de market sector takwa market square kebusa bon eti na ye wo ekwafo a bodo man oboma eduane aye di obomina ye dwafo and driver obodi ye beko akonyi train amo palo isi ye ka dwafo lecture so muna ye dwafo
na sane wo kanwa wo kyerɛkyerɛ mu no ankamia se wo mayu so ye hawo a ye wo efa na dwuma ho no enya asem keto ama ade asem bia wo bi ye bosu getere se na dwuma wo ye enkoyie wo mu a wo kora ban afa wo madwuma kora no ebi mu su se wo makatue mu nsem wo madwuma mu nsem ba bia wo man ye duru no eya sa na wo sanke ye kono wana
media ba we be me tie for fanchame se manchi yo ne tiri president ku focus e bia ya be kutiri but say employers pretend they are paying, what employees pretend they are working. And then a junior run of Giacano. Oh, no, she said, I'm saying, Obocado, and I saw Giacado, and then the middle mountain and one. Now, you're here, you are in Sufi, she can't get the moment and quite do baby. Because I'll show me a cowball of the poor Juma and young also light bulb, water bulb, rent, and bus school fees. But I can't even see me as a do baby. This are another.
Okay. Na yan share ene asemutia na edaso a enam so kra ma Ghana man panyi yero John Mahama ekasade fa ho na ne nyina ne botaye no akwa gina se wo man no ye betumi ahye yan kasa ya hunkura na fe ya konkoden ahwese wo man no ankasa adwumefo no wo betumi anya nantu papa gina so na abo ma Ghana ne economy no atumi akonkan na ye misa se akatua ewo se wodwumani wonya na katua esefata no anyambia ba bia Ghana yadue eno ne yensa kana afei wo so bosu dwetire se enwuma ni ho entiema wo adwumanye no die ye huru no ewo se sa na esie se da ne da nyina Ghana eduru mede bia no ebedi adwumefo da na so no ha no da so te de etia
ye tini se Ghana no ye sure the fundamentals our economic fundamentals are very weak. We are telling you, Ghana, import driven economy. Bibia yakra tick. Nyanyama wokrano, ejiba na wopama kwa kobi ewo, bibia wakra with on your money free. Okra one, it means that we're getting jobs for rice farmers in elsewhere. What they are here? Okra spare parts, it means more spare part industry everywhere. It is what to me after Mexico and a production sector and as a manufacturing sector very stronger. Yeah, over here, as a service industry, service economy. We import Libya, what they owe. Hospitality play 3 years, tourism play 3 and year 8 development to China. Among football projects in the contract. It's what your fundamentals really with the talk to Macaclawa and the Penny Water. That's our problem. The problem is that government A or government B. It's a certain government, you know, and bomb home or they share of that to Yamaji, Ama economy general. So, can be a bit me a boy and senior, the mantra be a buyer, one to one factory. And a bit me a boy, but I'm also said they didn't see light of day. Another president about 24-hour economy. Fine, it's also a good thing. A job creating. But 24-hour economy no light in Ghana, so how do they create 24-hour economy? So what I say? So yes, or here to be never be 2 years. Economy is great now, so that we compare what because poverty at interest rate of 19%. Why it be the criminal poverty at 2%? I had a little poverty about 19% is going. What was the balance of mobile poverty? I won't poverty or Dubai, or to China, or to US. I'm only about because so big because family, because the control is in the right to cry. If you take me about the money over for Bushia, yeah, one and better to be after 3 months, I have a answer. What is that this year? Right farmers cry, you drink on the produce. After bias becomes a problem. What is it?
Now, young show, okay. Ghana, man, Penny, now what can say what I'm wanting to see, mammy.
Okay, you was a more so many metric tons from Amanane. As high economy, I put pressure in our dollar. We need to use it because here the development get the support $1.
na yɛnhwɛ mampanyi yi Roger Dramani Mahama ɛnane nkasa yɛm wo mede no wase no wɔka bibi de fa adwumayɛfoɔ sɛ wɔn mako ma homgiem wɔn pension ho nsɛnsɛm musan sɛ yɛwɔ nipa pii no a hɔ no a wɔn yɛ aban adwuma nanso wɔn wie adwuma no na wɔn kɔgye wɔn ahome a na wɔn dabre mu kura yɛ den san sɛ wɔn akatua no mo gye ɛne wɔn kɔ pension sika wɔn nsaka no aya na akɔ bibi wɔ ebi kura tumi sɛ bi wɔn firim ɛwɔ saa nneɛma no ho na ɛnɛma mpanyini kasae ɛde fa ho kyerɛ sɛ n'ani kyerɛ yada no wɔn paw eku a wɔn bɛtena ase no wɔn susu biribi ɛde afa odwumani na katua ho titiriw ɛne ne pension ho nsɛnsɛm saa deɛ yɛ hu no sɛ ayɛ too late amaya na ɛwɔ sɛ nkiɛ yɛ ne ntɛm ɛfa adehyɛ no mo pension ho ana ananka akyi
yɛka brɔfo abɔka kasa bi ɛbɛkis better late than never.
Okay.
Sɛnea ɔmo yɛ no ɛbɛboa. Wɔn sɛ ebi na ka sɛ talk is cheap. There's one thing saying and another thing doing it. Amampani bi abɔ abɛbia ka asɛmpa ɛfa amanfoɔ akotua ho ɛfa pension ho but ɔmo fi wɔ kɔ a yɛ kesi sɛ. What want to it's not about lip service. Well, you have to come forward, go out, or be a queer baby, and that implementation of therefore. The issue is that pension is based on Usika working as a salary. Anybody yet say, yet a total amount. Put it that. But what do you think?
What are we with you?
Let's say, pension, Sikano. And you see, we hear Juma, one day we hear maybe you see the call. What you hear? Who you 13%? Then the government, I mean, who you 5% now? Employer needs to 13%. Let's say 18.5% also. It is a Usikasa. Usikasa, 18.5% or 18%, you know. Peanuts. And one corporation for last 3 years. Usika, me a calculation, you average now, yeah, the amount. It is Usika, sir. Me not depend on what about what a living wage. But the issue is that can employers pay? How much do you have? Take it into consideration cost of production in Ghana. Well, that is the common you can see almost about 30%.
Okay.
What they are here? Electricity is engineers, so now people are using generators and plants to power whatever machines are one year to do production. It's going to affect their cost. It's the cost, you know, some years of a year for 50 years. It will cheer our car or better the cost, total cost, and the labor cost. Now, all the amendment, you always go for negotiation. If you go for negotiation, the ability to pay. What you are seeing, you don't say nothing. You also only be I'll say you want also because of physically not the power. You want it is also you have to be answered able to create the action. The banks must have. They see related about 3 point something, but lending rate is less. Oh, that is why people sometimes they don't have confidence in the system.
Okay. Because
inflation must correspond with the lending rate. Because the couple say at less than 19%, what inflation is 3%. Some way, in any advanced economy, you don't see that. So people may say the inflation is cosmetic.
Okay.
I'm not saying so, but what I'm saying is I'll say about the correct or link to be added. So what you say?
Matthias, your partner.
I know that Adama for go look. The private sector is the engine of growth. Abano, maybe you're going to civil servant or a public servant. Whatever you now say, soldier for the other year. Message I will fear yet to be informed. Teachers will fear to be informed. And yet, Abano, I will press on person of because to offer one, he will go to the job because you're never the best.
Okay.
But there are also many private firms, manufacturing. you not say to me, gravel, your fortune, you encourage people to do so. You stop the protection of rights, you stop the protection of property products. And those things you have to take jobs. About that, who get to about the government can increase its revenue. Which we are fast attitude to know, I mean, that's why you're doing your movie. You were taxpayers' money,
okay. Now, Yansha, Mampanian Casayam, no, what can be besides, say, afraid you're Ghana. Yes, see any quansua, just a Yakoya Nimuana, sir, Edumefo Bomodin, Wamanisika some 8 points and say Jumani and Yajuma, and Yadia Disicababa, and Yeni Quanswan, yes, you know. Now, so you will be woman said Jumani Yajuma, now so no Yuni Ewenimu, and your ma a one cratemu. Ya womo ken kan de kire ye no ana sabio womo kan ya womo dane no ya yenti ase ye ana nkasa sai san se asade ye hu no ground so no aya na ye sonko sen de yete
let me tell you, what was there? The president, I'm not saying he's there or a political, but the president is a politician. Sure, about Katam, you Baba. What is it? President, I'm not going to back up, or me, I'm not going to Baba. Sometimes the reality, over the reality will dawn on you.
Okay.
And then it's Iran, war, yeah, Iran, US, and war. All the government against our making it, maybe you wrote it, but just single act of somebody somewhere. It is your economy, no. So I say, Ojenena Makoso. On anti-war muscle. It is the Kakra, I talked about the that is the problem we are having now. Our fundamentals are weak. Yes, the stability is currently exchange rate. But exchange rate alone does not overturn economy. The exchange rate stability is more import. It doesn't have export. We are the number to China, and that's what you do better than everyone. But the only export and one, it makes export expensive. So what we are doing, there must be a balancing act. So that nearby the non-traditional export, encouraging non-traditional export. And yes, sir. Dollar, and what farmer now, or subject of it is not happening there. It is happening only import, not happening export. It is our dollar, excuse me, dollar, they didn't hear you, guy.
Okay.
Stability, it's a good thing. But over the side, you are encouraging import rather than export.
Okay. Now, young Shadia, Mampanian and Casayamun so no, a Fabia no, a far edgement for one market to ya, a moons and some no. What can be big a cry at the far home? Sure, workers a set one market to your moons and someone so Baron way enough from dear. Now, what the bois, where are some day? At the management for now.
Oh, this treatment I expected.
Okay.
Something natural. I love to put it that way. So that over the on Cassa, well, okay, the main one. Okay, I say about the first year, the moon. Okay, I say, and I'm saying, ABENA, when you had a bad economy. And so therefore, the demands are now organized by demand about 50%, you know, or almost 10%. Okay.
No,
and the following year, now, I'm going to see that there will be improvement in it. He said about 9%. I'm just telling you the reality. And yes, you are on better or improve but the reality is that Chicago.
Okay.
Obviously, you work at demanding. Oh, Chia, the workers in demanding the economy will be disabled. That's the reality. If you want to more, the reality will dawn on you. If the number of African war over Kano will not be realistic.
Okay.
What you say? The actual after the part, obey with the challenge, and you better how. Then the teacher who you know, the reality will dawn on you.
na ye hu ne se drum na bi a aya na adwumafo so se bi mpredua wo mu dio mu ho bo baabi sa edrum na bi omu aka se nimpefe se sikani wo man ne mu na so na se omo ma ban ne pressure bi se chenchena won to akachiem.
Oh, I wouldn't say make to me say omu dio mu baabi, but say me at the first what to be paid all right.
Okay.
But going to see lorry fare. Petrol AKOSUA AGYEIWAAH lorry fare increase. Yato electricity. So the cost of living AKOSUA. What the idea is like what the amount is on the no they are doing that.
No crap.
So me want to know. Sikana wo de ma me no. What shall go ade kwadi so what kwadi so agiska. Eti I say I'm back to square one. Eti na kata I say said the first and before asa oko woni mba ko wo wo tumi. So what you say? So the conditions you I don't know that man what is on demanding more and also demanding more. Yes, they are good be able. But what I shall also say there, said the other first there, who quite you must quite a year demand. And you quite want to be the demand you know what to do. So I quite you so I create this or quite you about a die. Or quite now two numbers. So our attitude towards work is also not the best. You see, yeah, to the about for you to money so. You need to also be up out there. Over private sector, you will not see that attitude. The only that to ban it. But I it is our attitude towards a government work or public work or civil servants. And yet it's not the best. That is our problem. If you attitude to catch your property, yes, the current power, would you say yes? My yes, you want to extra money. So that's the first who also the dinner would declare the time of the maybe over your time or so around the because you need to do production. Other than that, you just can't do okay. But that attitude and any public sector.
Enti ye kwaye nimu no sane ye wutu adwumafo so fotichiru ni womo a womo su ni womo ban ense adwumafo wo ma gya ne mu no ede na wosa ban no eye yenya manyosem emfiri ya ban adwuma ye mu ana ye nko ne se ye mfa hyehye frinchim bi nto ho se nipa no se bia wo ye ban adwuma ana wo ye ankorankora adwuma na wo fa ne se adwuma no wo ye ne biara e wo se measures we ne ye de wo fa so se mpo ye betimi ate wakatua so mpo a.
Oh, who's there? I could transition there. Would you make so you make the worker workshop? That would be against ILO convention. Even in our labor law, we cannot use money to punish. What you are saying. So what you can do, we so risky. Yeah, Osha, yes, sir. So they have the chief executive, no, then time over. About you, maybe about 10 o'clock. You bought today, or say the committee about 4 million. So who watches the watchman?
Sure.
Or more, or also, so no bad you man, Germany. Or no bad you man, 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock. Some of the boss bed you man 10 o'clock, maybe about 9:30. Some meanwhile, or some say, not take about 8 o'clock. Also, I'm going to say, Juma on the Amami, Yana May. So, in the head, you say, and I'm a it is a training yard. Everything will be rotten. You understand? It is in a more of more put and chief director, chief executive, director 1, director 2. They must exhibit a good character.
Okay.
That will trickle down onto their subordinates.
Okay.
So what are they?
Matthias, pa. Just empanyimfo no na subampɛ di na nkoda na nsua.
I don't want to know. So the foreigners subampɛ di nkoda na betiaso.
Okay.
Private sector, and yet I said the first one. They are doing anything different. Omo yes be aso go. O kwa so we see the ho. Ya mo aduma. They will make sure so you do it well. You are accountable. Shikara we are your account. You are working for your money. What do the guy everywhere? Not the newspaper. Break hours. Not the kind newspaper. The manager of the catcher is there. I did not pay you to come and read paper.
Just when Chia Casa became graphic one, you mean?
Meanwhile, it was a breakaway. I see when Joe gets the cat paper. I'm going to see as to move. Because when Joe gets remember the cat paper. Or Joe gets remember yes. Now, this time with the mobile phone, you can be the other offices. Now, it's all for yes, but or TikTok. What's happening? Huh? Look at that. That attitude and more. But you can't do that in the private sector. Even if one person short or short percentage in the class, it will be very during your breakaway. Because the amount who got that here. Share the question, Facebook and the question.
Are you where you was no? Adeɛ na yenye efutuo bai ana wo de ba ma yenyina nkwankure ena fe wo mo ya pan adwuma ye de wo sikra no.
Oh, na me kan say adwuma bi anyway ye say adwuma bone.
Okay.
What you say? Adwuma e ma wo sako wa no. Also wo di eduo ma sa adwuma.
Okay.
O say wo de wo she. Na adwuma no tumi tumpon. Na adwuma tumpon a na dadie won sabe ko wa so why can say ejuma ni ngu a ejuma ni ko wa ka tenafi sa sika na wo fi enya idi ejuma ni ngu no sa sika na egu nya bi wa ya je ejuma bone ejese kro no eji yem fa subanpa yenda subanpa edi ewo ejuma no ejuma bi edi ase ensa no se bi ade yina bebre na ko so re bebo a
no correct.
Say Bible says send you money. Aha. It is send you money for send for you juma. On sana with the juma no. For so ye wo say ya me wa kotiada me akọ aso de me wi say ya me ya de ya me ate. Ti wo ya ba ya de suwa body bi ewo juma. Sa ti ba na ya de pa so de me pa be.
Okay.
Just one at the cock box and Jeff Bredman. She had translated that he had begged memoir and can you me a paradise.
Sure.
Oh, I have done you. But meanwhile, or what I told you or the second year, or go back them now, said at the fatigue, so which is the night that's in travel. What
Matthias,
but we did that. German, you did not buy it. You have to German, you have to use ano na ensirawo me nkate okwa sore jirani ba okwa sore a okwa so kwa ke correct adebo
no correct
sika that is sika wani na wode be sika na ke ti oka de wode ti okola so di ti oka if you want years you want to job ka be go ti oka nti asofo no mutu member telefo asofo no mutu member telefo so kwa munye adumade ne munja ka le dinach
SOMPA FM.
It is not only about your correcting or about offering about your title. I will demand it from your members, but ask them to work hard. Even though you are ready. Now Ghana, I'm from the country. So we know you are so what. Never mind Ghana. I couldn't. I'm not enough for me. Yes, yes.
Okay. You are my was and enchechemo sonko ne futu a wode yama ye enim se bibia kire ya dwene so e baba na so adwumefo so afa futu pa ya menim se free na de kro insakra baba ya dwumem ya da se I was young another bonko moy a year Abraham Yali no openye pay a bana pedie emun semu wabimu and yet say what church and some would do more at the actual hot bite Cassia bo and to us and a bano time ever mister and ye can for a diamo a yetridi malaria fever a draw and on 1 to 1 community wapas so yo memra or John Rabia and ya shasa banana time ever mister a drone be na etumi aboa bomodia so be kwa ba shops awodo mu wonsa abeke bi anasa fraye 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 na wore mpanyfo eni enkomo Pepsodent ni o ko Pepsodent madaworo mantini yete baabie yase twiri wose anopa numre dane de nyina no wanum ntwayopo enye fi ne keka wo bia mfiri wanum na ho ntumi nto wo sere ya wo de ani gie so na esere wo kase obi ho a eno ano no enti we wo kan somusem a wonim sese bi mpredua se wo twiri wosin ye enti nya afa na wo no se wo kata wa no bia ne ade Pepsodent adaworo manti jasa dane de nyina yesere ya ye baye no mu ankasa na yasere sanse bibia tamu yopo na wase wo sanso ma wo dental Ghana Dental Association we free abrani nyina se koba no se wo hia obi amana tuufo fa wo se ho nsansamu wo sene ya wo ya bibia chesa eno no se wo fra wo mo ho mai na wo no mati nkomo 0800 161000 0800 na mpanyfo eni nkomo midima fo aba center nie doctor se wademra na ya na de what time ebeto ya de no so ediama o eni stroke na ha wo sisi ya de waposo diabetes ese kire ya de nyina no ye midima fo aba center Dr. Time da so enchen Accra Pokuase Mayra Kumasi Abu Akwagogo one government school no edi enhwani mu 024477 4282 024477 4282 ye jena resu ye dan hotel ye ba kase bono wankasa ebeto so
Anona ya kana say apamba catcher say do not open until you are told to do so session B no we a hot bite ni session B and ya de ma we na session B no mu nsem wa betie kakra na say sabre ya ekopie mu e wa barekase a akwanhia bi asi ho na ne efire ni ba no enya nika
wosi adwumekuo ni mpanimfo abo amane a kire bu se wo mo ache akoromfo tachi amoa makoma nan enema bi ka ho
Sanso ana yebeko ayachuma mponua na ena ye mede no abankra chepanyini yo hono wo badwuma fo aposo yi papa atrese won ma yade na Ghana yedu baby edri
na papa yi wono kura na organized labor wo ka mo bi o mo ye adwuma correct pa wo se baby o man Ghana yadru no ya hwe yi enwuma ebegu no echen kuri
ana ewo May Day celebration ase ana chairman Adema TUC adwumekuo no watu to stressa said ye yadu garam se no yante hwe hu se wo mujayo
Abano ejasese won sansamu a Ghana National Fire Service won mo bo akonta bi ediaba na ensem wo maka echenkuri
ano wo mo koye dwumade bi kura wotafo wo mo ni edwom fo no ana koye quiz wo ho tafofo ndedi nkuni mu asantemantem
empanifo wo mo du wo juma e wo labor relations wo mo na ekasa wo mo kiremu se ekamia yese Edomkuma wa mo mrahye bedwafie wa mo yinkofo bi ama o
sanso ne yeba na ngoma hyiamu a adanse North District Education Sector no wo mo so ade adwuma so be sane yeba yeba boa ne yemofra no wo mo ngoma hyiamu ebetumi akonkan
yeba kwa amanone ne akoba amanone nkwamo na Peter Hexet ya wono na akwa America wa ya war secretary anase defense secretary wo se sa 90 days ceasefire no egusu wo hopa na wa kirekire mu wo kiremu wo senate fo no wo mo akache senators no anu nti ade mu nkomo ne bebre osisi a
ebeka were mo ne aboabo ne nyina no ayatena se na yede yenketro mebegu ho asew ediama wo akosua agyewa akwade boaten enemidi mene
oduma nkoma chiame OBREMPONG-NANA KWAKU AMPOMAH ana menu aba
ABENA BADU ADEPA KOFIE
afi yan shansam na se kama emfa ema ya shanse ye de afira santimantam mu ena akoye yi adwumayefo nyina da na ye nyina ye ne agye no ukopie ma santimantam titru pa ne barakese emfafra mu ha won mu de o ma pilot pa sanse eyawra hosam ena ate asi wo articulator track bia na waso atia cashew na ba ne bie na wa ba no paya mpo let's say 11 am ho ba bi ena wo tete fa so na aya wo kogina yehu ya no de amane afa abandon pit bi je say amana bi a wo mo agya na to abandon pit wa ko hyem ho ma me no ka say wo mo kire say nipa ba ko bi de say driver na no team ne de ne nan nyina ayam abusia join ne wo Facebook ne so SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra na so for that small ana wadna ni kuro twawisi a na hwene santa mo ekopie asemi so ehwa na ba wa bedu wa frɛ no na bon komo no abusa nse so for wo ko hu ye na tesai
around 11:30 and after 11 o'clock you want you to catch be a different at now we are moving asu now bomb a pound load the enable and people bana about the phrase up by person or by the prono meaning catch the by me say so freely can actually be on the about the blue or kind of finish hat in the sign and the other are getting control kakra na the blue no you need to be a chop or talk on the kind of chat because many mood no ekomu tikani bufaso bufa ti amana ti say e kan ni si wankasa normal enti ewe ta no ma driver ni no mo ti yo ni si ba na driver ni no ka ni si mama kan ni bi omo ye ya ni pa be try to pi no na complain no na by one temida banana na enti ambulance ne by e no be fa e bi ko by ko say e health center because e kan da so da on apolo ko be for na pela me ko te ka una no ma ni bi o mo dia no so ma ba na ni to ni bi on tra na mo janso en ko bia ba ko ni ko na bi fortune no when the first
we so for that small no anu oni ba wa be du boss an komo we say ya asante mantam mu barekese ni esi ho no peya wacheche mu kama ma ba wa nso wode abadom yen
abusia yada so agyiremu awara husemu na posi adwumako ni fe no ewo upper east region wo mo na eba amane yin wo mo kyerem se wo mo saso enkrofo makomako nan ya wo mo nyina eye emerema akentra nwam ya wo mo si no wo mo woso na petisa wo betumi ado ama ado no kurampo ni ho adwiri no na so wo mo de wo mo so wo mo no na emo mamafo ebre esam wo manim fifire so de ahomache enante awia so ene yedi mede yi a ye nyina na wasanki ya da na so hu donti ya betena ha eben sam de ma wo no wo mo abatwi tuo wo mo abatwi asekan agyan emu akuma emu kontiba e de asiade hye so na wo mo agye wo mo esika anafei wo ajapade wo mo kiremu se bosome ba ko a etwa mu nim ana wo no mo te ye ese akronfo ye sanso ye wo made ni biewu e wo ekuro bi a eno no ade zuarungu na empatam ho de wo mo kiremu se akronfo no wo mo tete wo mo enya asam ketu aposi adwumako no ne fa no ehwe wo mo di abonefo sam no wo mo kopie ho no wo mo atimi kiremu makomako nan mienu de wo mo kiremu se wo mo afra twen ese wo twen ma wo mo nya nti wo mo tonkunuma agwo na ase na nipa nan a wonsa eso wo mu no wodi ene awudu kasim afei malek baako mohammed amidu wadud abdul wamo aya nan na mienu a wamo esusu se sabre ya me no kasa yi etuo kasa wamo ya wamo ti nananom ensedo wamo de gontu su na cheso madikan ana afensu mienu a wamo tonkunuma egu wamo na ase no baako de abona mrane DJ yenim se no obonwum e wo radio station de ane antimi nkire baako so a wanom ekirem so wano so adwane ye ne din ane Samsudin Mohammed wano so wadwane bi na posi adwumako no empo amane a wo ma kirem se enipa nan no sesei no wanom ensa aso wo mu ya wo mo ekwa hwehwe wonsemu se ebubo wanom dia na ne abu asiako enye obi na aye ne momo na de wo ti age akyerema wo mo ensa ka afidie tetafo moto yi bie eye tulega no wo mo age makomako nan a ne nyina no eye motorbikes bi wo mo anya atuo ya no posifo ne se wo mo saka atuo no wo hwe aboba ehemu etimi to 30 rounds ya wo ma loading asam ketuo weso wo kuratuo no wo mu de behia akwa ho a wo hu wo mo anu wada no wa ma asa so da esan se etuo no wo ma loading no ankasa posifo a kire mu sei akromfo February bosome no ne da na etoso na wo mu kwa akro no bo e wo kuro bia no ade zuarungu konzo ekwan so ewo eye upper east region ho na afei wo mo wie ye no February 4th no anso wo mo san ko bi March 26 ekwa robe adehia ni nyina no bus yakese a edi akwantufo nam no ene wo mo robe na ni nyina enkanfo na dia wo mo ko ye twatwo kora April 29 fo ene yakwachiri wo mo yi entini posi adwuma ko ni se wo mo de wo mo kwakogina mranim na se ebubo wo no mo dia na wo mo ni aban ako ahye mienu a wadwane nso ye hwehwe wo no achire wo
na yɛdenka mmɔmanyɛ da sɛnda yɛ afɔfida sonko ɛrema Ghana adwumafoɔ nyinaa ɛnam so ɛma Ghana mampanyi yɛwura Tontomani Mahama wɔkɔpie mu ɛwɔ poyɛ mantam san sɛ dwumadie no wankasa ne mpɔmpɔnsoɔ no na ɛhɔnom na ne gyina ansa na wɔba bɛhyɛ aseɛ koraa no wabɔ adwumafoɔ abasoɔ no wɔde kan ɛde asɔ ɛkɔbɔ fam yɛ 24-hour market yɛ wɔn mu sie ɛwɔ asesewa no ɛno ɛwɔ apa menya krɔbɔ mansini mu ɛyɛ asesewa ɛhɔnom wɔde asɔ ɛkɔbɔ fam a wɔn mo hyɛ aseɛ sɛ wɔdi ho adwuma ɛno akyi no krɔbɔ divisional police headquarters nso wɔn mo hwɛ na fei wabia no na aposifo akɔkɔtena mu akɔkɔyɛ adwuma na ɛnum wɔn wɔn mo kyerɛ sɛ nyankropɔn yɛ adoma wɔ kyena ɛnya sanketo amakora ɛwɔ poyɛ mantamu sanse mampanyi yɛwura Tontomani Mahama ne dwumadi a wɔdie ne bota yɛ sinani so sɛ resetting Ghana no wɔbɛyɛ no ayɛ ne yie no ɛno a ɛno ogusuata na ne bɔhyɛ ahodoɔ bi a wɔhyɛ poyɛ mantamufoɔ no ɛno wahyɛ sɛ yɛ a wɔkeka no ɛfa ne ho masua mu ɛne mpuntunyuma no mampanyi Tontomani Mahama wɔka ne sɛ ne kyerɛ na de hye
Ghana for any nyame eye adoma yedi nkunim ewa abato no na eche se sabon na ye share no na ye hwehwe bebi a ye beba beye ne abrofo friend no launch of the no fee stress policy na SDA College of Education wo ko Fredra ha omo na eto nsa frɛ se yemra na omo bie kwan amai se yembeye ne ebe bia na ye launch no fee stress policy no ha nti afi etwa mu ye bai e ma dwumedie no kɔ so fefefe na yese ufufu atonkwan mu ede na also ye say ye ba ya ye be launching no fee stress policy a SDA College of Education principal oje ya wa tu no na che say na this de bebre e wo ho a ono so ede betu ye nim wasre say ye nye emma no
I was your way, you Tontomani Mahama, na yatin in Cano. Na ye shani mo kwan sa wane aso from panyefo ahodo bi enso ebetena se ehia nyankropon ye adoma wo china na fei aban ne mpuntu nyuma ne boshe bi a wo hye no eno so ode atudwa na ebra eno so ne kromafo ne hye na wo kan nsam de kire wo no so kan wo de no se ye ene no so koi
Obusa nyoma bebre ebi ne saa dwumadi a yebe no hanne aye multi-purpose hall and hostel obusa school bus so na school bus ni aye hihye ni nyina enche bia bus no so beba ena o ka say opeka principal no e de beye adwuma na saa mre ni e ka se e be ma no pick up and so nyame adaromanti ye de prados e baye for 29 colleges of education I just a principal of Wahano oka sa Toyota Prado no bi enti we de enye kasa tintin bia e yenda se ye ba ya moje ya wa tu no e ho faso ni na senya mekan no enche bia bus no so be ba na che se e bo a ye hye na e che se ye di so the basic ha men kan bebre Ghana adwuma ye fo so na ene eyomoda madam ase nyame enhyira mu nyina thank you very much
medebasi amen kan bebre Ghana adwumafo na yamoda ntinyame nhyira mu wayi aya Ghana mampanyi yewura Tontomani Mahama apoyo mantamu na asemi odekotudwa
ene yenya apoyo mantamu ha na empanifo se baabi ya no otonfo wo bo se chan no na ho hia no nti ye gina apoyo mantamu ni abo ho pa wo firi asasawa no eno ode na ni kire mu awo Kofodia Jackson's Park na ansampo na mampani ba kasa no empanifo bi di kan kasa ya sanse se nsuo beto a mpani ze ya na mframa edikan entie ni kan fa mframa de ya na ma wanza pani a wono wagina simpie ni apaso ya wakasa ye yero Joshua Ansa wono eno ye general secretary at the trade union congress papa yi kasa no ana in fact wo ka kira ban se mampani baby a wotie enti wotene nka pa tie na nsa boy ya wo dia se baby o man na dru baby o man ni gina botaya kura na ye de kasa fa ho ena no pe ya pivoting to growth, jobs, and sustainable livelihood beyond macroeconomic stability. When you know, so the battery ya, a baby kit to abio, Nanso, Sahabi kit to abino, no con jumping, ye, you mano. Say, as an animal was your maimu, baby, a yejinano, and here ya, yejinam above watch, and you may walk on one more brepa.
Comrade Chairman, I now turn our attention to the theme of this year's celebration, pivoting to growth, jobs, and sustainable livelihoods beyond macroeconomic stability. The jobs and employment crisis. Your Excellency, among many other things, this theme seeks to launch a national conversation about jobs or employment. I say with no fear of contradiction that decent employment or lack of it remains one of the most significant economic and social problems in Ghana, and it has the potential to transform into a political problem if it remains unchecked. We are almost at crisis level, Mr. President. But this year's theme further invites us to move beyond economic statistics and indicators. It calls on us to recognize that macroeconomic stability is not an end in itself. The real test of economic policy is whether it improves the lives of workers and citizens. Does it create jobs? Does it raise incomes? Does it secure the future? Does it build sustainable livelihoods? If it does not, then stability, however important, remains incomplete.
Joshua Ansa, one General Secretary, Edema Trade Union Congress, and Mayday Nasiansa Mampani Bakasano, one of Kasai.
Na abusianya wano kwa ne kasa ye opani a wano ye titirani Edema Trade Union Congress opani a wano ankasa te adwam Edema wonom Owura Bernard Owusu wano so ekasa ase bi wase watiti nsem bi na ede ensem na Ghana for asede bi mo enkankan dom kuma no wano wotwe wo manu yi wase wankasa kura nti sa de wapampa mu sanso twa hia me se buei ye kotwa miti wase de ehase a wo mo entimi nto ase ni nyina fa garam se ho ya aban yi ba ye watete tax force watete eya nine moso watete blue water gas de kaka ho nyina no Owura Bernard Owusu say wa mo de omo huhio ensuo no tin no a na gusu a eye bedo se pika afei yakwa ebretuo no so de hwan awie womuo abrabie womuo wansane womuo tusane wom ni nyina awe base garamse no egusu a ekoso ewo mayim Owura Bernard ansa bisa se aso ye betumi atena ho ayehwe han ama ye future ane ye dache aye basa na wo kirem se opani wudidi adidi bone ya wankasa ana wi chance ninsam eni.
The resilience of our economy depends on how effectively we manage critical sectors such as energy and agriculture. When energy fails, industry slows. When industry slows, jobs suffer. And when jobs suffer, families feel the pain. The issue of galamsey still remains a menace and must stop now. Despite ongoing reforms, we are losing this fight and we cannot afford to lose our future. When rivers die, industries, agriculture, investments and jobs all decline, leaving the Ghanaian worker to bear the cost. This is why our stance on galamsey remain uncompromised.
Eho ana wabaso no wapani a wakasa ye titinani Edema Trade Union Congress TUC adwumako no Owura Bernard Owusu enayi ewo Koforiria Jaskin Park eho ana Mayday no dwumade no ko ana de sanse mi tuja ana holiday ya wusi anya asam ketua ya nto asam no so ewo nsem fufuro
asam de anya asam ketua makura ya to so na abakra chepanyina wono so wo atwemampo nuama nsini mu yonu nyamfo Ibrahim Ishak na opanyi paro so abo adwumefo ba so ye papa sa wo ma ya de chasanya sam ketua ma acherecherefo nursefo doctors akuafo adwadifo wo kan wo ja hwan mazifo nyina wo do bibia da sesanse wo mo ne Ghana ya chiri bramo wo mo ne kasa empunu an na epunu enti wo ma ya de se wo ma Ghana ya fra dumu akwadumu
Omo ahoden a omugina omo na so na pawia adwumason ebo omo man ebo omo abusua ebo omo ho na omo sa ahoden na omo de sum omo anu na pawia na dwono wiase ayese enedue yi dai bi yeso de aka omo na ya da omo ase ya so omo kwan se omo dwuma to omo ye no in fact wiase ani so esanti atwampo no ewa Ashanti region I free Ghana so yeso ekenya so bi said yeso ene ye homeda na dwumafo na me fasa dai so nkun so ata obi biasi enkankan ni mikro nana nyina yini dwumapa wo bo ama atwampo no a nyina yini afa ntomo pafra
Ani ekwoti ye abankwa chepanyini ya wono awatwoma mponua mansini mu wonmonyafo Ibrahim Ishak ene yetese wobo adwumefo abasui
ni nyina no mpanin se pani wo dwade wi a na nsuo sei ni nyina sa anu nti ya kan nyina na ya kan de aguga na mampanin His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na kache wono na wo ka sei mede no wono aklamase ye anu wo kire se ewo okofo de Jackson's Park no na wo kire se sei Office of the Special Prosecutor say Supreme Court to crack asetena and High Court wa womo so ma gini to me prosecutorial powers so ma Jeffrey nsam no wono de wono amamfo yo wase wonfo sege kura wono de ogusu gina ne mudie mu kura ne mudie mu say ebeya wono Special Prosecutor no to me ya de amanu wa wetime de bokọ adu no yemfa ne to me ma no na say wonya ne to me na wo de bokọ adu a obetimi asane ne mamu yie asense aban ebo ne ho kọ adu.
In addition to the Auditor General's power of disallowance and surcharge, ladies and gentlemen, recently there have been legal disputes about the constitutionality of the Office of the Special Prosecutor. While some of the issues are pending appeal and Supreme Court interpretation, government believes that there is space for an effective Office of the Special Prosecutor with special powers of prosecution. Government has, through the Attorney General, laid a bill in Parliament to give legal effect for the setting up of regional tribunals. These regional tribunals will help to speed up the system of justice.
Ghana Mampani, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, one on a casa na wo wie ne kasa ye kra no. And as the grid cove one so one more adwumayefo. Na no eja to ho ne nkane adunduma na no kra mpom rasbe John papa ko asa adundum ne bajai. Na adundum na ntimi enya ya ma etoto mu ama asa ba bio. Na grid cove wo gina wo na so 24/7 24-hour economy. E dia ye adwuma ne kama no. Wo mo fata aseda ene ayeye.
Just yesterday, I was in AKOSUA here in the eastern region to inspect the damage at the Volta River Authority Electricity Generation Station following the devastating fire in the switchyard control room. I know many of you are concerned about the disruptions to the electricity supply caused by the AKOSUA fire. But I want to share the good news that the GRIDCO and VRA engineers working together have been able to bypass the bent-out control room and have restarted all the 6 turbines at the AKOSUA generating station. And so as of last night, the AKOSUA hydroelectric dam is fully operational. I wish to use this occasion to celebrate the engineers of GRIDCO and VRA for the hard work and ingenuity they put into restoring the hydro plant to full operation. These engineers are a living testament to the fact that Ghanaian workers are the nation's most valuable asset. GRIDCO and VALCO, are you here? GRIDCO and VALCO workers, are you here? Aiko.
Anona papa ne go kan GRIDCO no go kan GRIFO no. Se omu ho na wa oyi omu boni ayepe e de asam kase ya pa na be banti no bu se GRIDCO and VALCO, are you here? GRIDCO VR for more woman nyina ho wabo bia ba so kama Ghana Mampani His Excellency John Kwame Dramani Mahama ene yete ne nka no
Ebusia sedi empanifo echeche ensemu efa sese sedi omaimu ayeden na ebinimu kiremu se yeji NDC amanyo kodi ye ya wo moto aba edema omampani dada omampani John Dramani Mahama that's one sanso emre biem na omaji adwa no entena so na wo mu hu se ebra eja wo mode aban no ema pipi amanyokuo na enkoyi enti e na omo sanso efra no ema ne baye na ne nyina mu no empanifo ba mane echeche nsemu se ni dia ye not kura e kamia ye se enka na kane no kura eye dia na ke yete ho ani yesu buebuei na ebi musu ma ma no enka na wo mo ntina wo ma de mu saa krata ya edamanimi afri empanimfo a wo mo ade wo mo dwuma e wo mrahye bedwam employment and labor relations wo mo committee no ya wo mrahye bedwam no opani ba kwa no aka ho bi e na watwra krata yi mami Mavis nkansan boadu wono na nensa hyase no se enai eye edwadifo e na afei wo mo a wo mo ya adwuma nyina eda sei ya wase eka ho bi e mo obi ehu se adwuma wo ya no sebi what ne bra so aba no ebi mu de wo mo da so ofie ya wo mo nya dwuma no bi enye wo kire mu se uhwe mu wa kirekirefuo mu a wo mo su anasefuo wo mo esu afei akuafuo nyina esu e ma kokko akuafuo kra de wo mo timi su a ka cho mampani dondramani mahama se udi eka nyina da wo mo kire mu se de wo mo hu oye oman no free 2024 ebesi 2025 no se nya sakra na wo mo hu no na sisi de eniema a wo mo di gwa kwa mu nyina na kamia yese eyade e favor NDC amanyokuo no nko a na mom enwene the good people of Ghana enwene wo mo ho esa se wo hwemu a Ghana fo nyina ebre wobia ebre bis wobia ebre makuafo ebre dia na wo se wo se obia ebre empanimfo e ka kire eye aban sei wo fa ne ma papa nwa kwa mu se de hie die nti a wo mo san so to aba no ede ma Ghana man pani excellency ye wa John Dramani Mahama emo anya Mr. Babio no wo mo so anya so emfa so papa na enye se ebi asebi oba etuminika na obeso ni mpoku amu a fe na efentia na wo mo kire mu se enye se betiti agu na emom eye fekeke se wo mo kofa ne ba ye de wo mo enhwemfa ne ma papa nwa kwam na Ghana fo so enya wo mo so mfa so se de mdi kan eka ye no ena ye medeti ena mpanifo ede krata yi efri edom kuma womo ewo mrahye bedwam womo ewo employment and afa labor relations no opani a wono oka wo ho bi Mami Mavis Boadu wono ana krata yi nsa ehase
Afofia kasiabo na wutie for SOMPA 106.5 Accra Ghana yankrabata wodo babia wonma fakasiabo yi yatoa ansam no eso na wabo akwanta be dia baba to jaya no eye dumja adwemakuo ye wo ma Ghana mo metro Ghana National Fire Service na wonmo etremu se wo hwemo pa no ankam ye se edabia ye nya eja amananto ma Ghana mu no na nya emprama akomako aduonu da bia enti eja hye a etototomia hodo no abre no da bia no wo nya makomako 20 course nko a ya won munya no mkokodum gya no eno no wo kire se wo yakwa ya hometisem ye papa ya wo mbesere Ghana fo se ye kokko ya nim no ye nsase se ye suasuan yo ma bi chichiru ne bra eja ato wo fie wo dwumam ana ba bia etesa na wo betumi aso anokra ansa na dum judgment wo mbebe ma won matumi abem Assistant Divisional Fire Officer Yira Alex Kinate and Semi wade etudwa ene mede yi en wo cho say ya ne ha won mo papa hapa se bi mpredu say wo se won wadwuma ene se won bedum gya na so ya na nya fe se wo bi efie be hye na won be fa won made yakwakodum no sanse ye wo madwuma nti sanse wo hwe pa no nipa na japade nyina enenem eja so a ekro no na ye tutu ye hofo no na ye tu ye hofo aka de ya kire ye ho se kwaba no so wo bi ye aduane a wo ni ahwe hu no se aduane no wa wie dumugya ansa na wa kwahye dem kura akoda wakwakoda wo betumi de aduane sisu na ne wura fini ho se wo ye aduane wotumi tena fo hu miemia so a just wate se aduane ni mu hye ansa na wakwakodum no sa ne yoma ne nyina no ye haw kase a enam so ade gyasehye eba ewo ma Ghana emu afei wo mo etro se ye obi mu so krampo no mo a wo mutumi jai ayon no de asiso saa ne batimi kokoso ketel no de blog ashem chese ne yoma bebrebe ena nam so ema chese de gyasehye eba ewo ma Ghana mu na sa ne yoma nketenkete we nyina ne yetumi asua ho ade na ye de aye adwuma ewo mayimu a enka gyasehye no a ebre no bra no bia no won nya ewo won ma so ye na wo mutumrika ba bedum no no sa de ne nyina ta eto betumi etwa nam so nti won ma ka de a kire adwumafo nyina se ye hya se nsua ekwan ya ye befa so ebebo ye ho so na gyasehye a ekoso wo mayimu no eso ebetumi atie
afe yegusu wo sansam no amu ya kwa santimantam mu na Ghana National Fire Service santimantam mu wo mo de no eno am ye so sa na wotwe nyina no International Firefighters Day in fact na wotwe nyina mpo no mo de asi wo Ghana ha ya wo mo de hye sa afa no de aboa pa no kura na nam so a na no ukwa da no kura ya ne dum gya adwuma ko ne mpanifo bon ko mama wo mo kirekire nsemu a e ma ye hunu se ne enema ekro na enum na akopie mu asantemantam mu a wo mo so wo mo nya adwuma de bi se na nya ho saa enti won be ko dwom no me ya adwadifo ma ne mema na wo dwom no wo mo aye competition kase pa e de ama ho eno nti tafo dwom no mo wo ho ketia bantema ene manhia wo mu nyina saa nan yi ene wo mo koye saa adwumadie no na bra na yera pitatete wo no gina simpie ne apaso ye on na ye Asante Regional Fire Commander wo kire nsemu e de a kire ba wa beidu no wo kan ne sei
Afi HM first quarter no yenya 385 incident and this year the same period yenya 348. Let's say difference near 37 and reduced by 9.6%. Sa reduction in say ye be bi see ni last year answer this year beban you start to call market na call and you say ye kokeke education na ye massive ye be nipadom and the call market massive na education na ye 1-on-1 me no fakwa otu ade na ya betua ho na otu oni e kirekire eno ama sa reduction aba ya kire won se eja hihie enya adepa omo amwo ndom particular e ya odetwe e na ode ye nyaman it is a share na obe it ma weni inko business a oye na utete ebio nyaye ne ye adwen a esi ya kifansa ho e wa kra ohun se eja hihie e wo edwom eno ti omo se ye ma edwumfo no emfa omo nhye fire si anokwan
we aya yera pitatata no na wo wie ne nkasa e no so sa quiz ya wonu me yeye wo mo hwa hunu se edwadifo ma no wo mo dwapade a wo mo kirekire wo mo no amoma hu se so wo mbo ho ban na yo musika wo mo daachi wo mo dwetire ni wo mo kirom ni nyina no wo mo kai e wo mo trim enu nti wo mo ye sa quiz ja ye busa we ye dan we wudi we to ha we be san na wo mo hu ni nyina kama na wo mo wie ye no tafofo na di nkunim na sene na contest ni mu adene no enam so kra market afo beto so bantema ena manhia o hiehie ni nyina so kama na no so bra wo kire adwenkopote a ties a quiz ya chi no ba bedu sanfa bibra yense
nyaye ne ye adwen a esi ya kifansa ho e wa kra ohun se eja hihie e wo edwom enuti omo se ye ma edwumfo no emfa omo nhye fire yesi anokwan quiz omo ye quiz na kese omo ma ba sua de akwatiri omo sua de no kwatiri a etomutim omo timi ye preventive fires enuti last month ye de edwumfo 9 ene ba ha ye de asafo tafo kejetia ena tonso ene bai ena kejetia ne tafo ebi first and second ene ye call second zone eye mamponten breman ene asokore mampon asawase market ti ohonso mamponten ebi ninu ena breman ebi kan na say this week ye international fighters ti ye say ye nkaso ne ye mfa sa ninu mra ye meye finance ti say jabi basisi a so mo extinguisher ho obetumi ebi ye friends ye mra bebi emeso bibia na nipa etete
aya pania ono na ya pani pa odadum judgment ko na no bitatata no ono no kasa ayi na san komo nyina wa santemantam mu woni ba wa bedu ana tse
SOMPA FM
abusia ya transam no eso akoyanim awo nsam foforo mu na maame Agnes na momo late yeswani awo no wo hye nkwada na afei ma eno asetena mu yedie ho ensam so dwumadie bi akoso ewo enkran ha ama ononyafo yi akwakasase dwumadie ni nyina aye launching ewo abra na wo mo launch 2026 Women in Sustainability Africa ye 20 ya fan resa na wakasa edinsam atudwase sadie ema yehuhia na awrade kurase yehuhia manonti na ema so wa bibia mu a eyenti ewo behia se ma no ewoso wo mo kyerkyere yen ne ebo ye ho so enwuma mu ensori mu baabia ya ubehuhu esa obabia no wutimi bo ho so empanimfo ekire mu sadie wo mo epesesa gender equality no eye adwuma eye ewo omayi mu nti enaja upiem wo mrahye badwa mu a wo mo de bi okura akwato wa no mu a ewo se wo mo hye na wo mo bɔkyire ema bibia ekoye onanyamfo Agnes na momo late say sadie ebeya ma ebabia hu se de wuye bia eso ani na de wuye bia esombo na de wuye bia hu hianti wuchi wani a na wani ahwe ye vice president Nana General Opoku Agyeman sadie mami ye si yo sadie mami wa hobrase sadie mami ya kokuduro nti aya no wahwe no na wasua no nsam wode tudwa no ye nsam training na opon chichiku afa bi mane
enhanced transparency and accountability mechanisms, and stronger linkages to complementary services such as skills development, financial inclusion, and livelihood support initiatives. These efforts are aimed at ensuring not only immediate relief, but also long-term well-being and resilience of vulnerable households across the country. Today, as we are gathered, under the ministry's various women's empowerment initiatives, we have facilitated capacity building programs for women in agribusiness, renewable energy, waste management, and other growing economic sectors. These interventions are designed to position women not only as beneficiaries, but as active participants and leaders in climate resilient and environmentally sustainable enterprises.
Enti no mami okasa ye ayononyam for mame Agnes na momolate wono ne suania wo hye enkwada ene ma ene wasetenam yedie ho nsam so dwumadi a eno no aye Women in Sustainability Africa ye Risa International Festival one mo launch 2026 dia no ase eno de sansem nyina to dwafa ma ho dwumadi bia no wo ya yuyam na ye ni ye emfa ho wabamu bu a na kyerese wasoso na wo koso sa ensem yi yansam training na opon chichiku ene to some ye
na se wo kwadanse North District Education Sector hono mo no kwasam no se enyoma enkoyi kura wo manfo no mu kire mu se biaya achechofo ebeda eno akwakwa bibio ho afei schools awodo ya eno ehya danse North District no ase no eno so atetia pro apansam dodo no enkoyi classroom block enkoyi afei wo mu ni nkonya wo mu ne hwe ana wo hwe district director no kra no officer wo no so te no a jase akwakwa ebu achibidin anam so ama District Education Director Alhaji Ibrahim Amankwa wane SOMPA kase atwetwe nkomo kyerɛ sɛ wo hawde wo mu nambi mu na wono sere mpanyimfo sɛ wo mɛyɛ wono ma yɛsa ne ɛbɛyɛ ebetumi aboa na wono ma setena mu nsam betumi akoyie kakasansa wo masua de ɛno na da ne da nyina Ghana yɛde koyanim
enkonwa samuna HNCC ise enkonwa eba no pala no tena so na ebreka kra bi a etwamu na wonu de yomudi nade aye nade no se aluminium se de yin otena so na ebu pala nso yisu ade a entumi nche sempanimfo ndi sabri ye ha kese pa aye enkonwa sem ewo in classrooms no ye toso bi o ye ne o ma ye de kira de friend teaching learning materials ewo in schools no ye ni age na ereboa ama mmasua so akoso ohwe mathematical center odibaye na primary food nyina binyi na ono kra de enka o target JHS 3 for na o mbetro enso hwenanse ya nenso enkwala omuwo upper primary no bia no ebinya bi ama o matumi a practice o munsa ewo so kopimsa o mbewura JHS
Awushawa District Education Director Alhaji Ibrahim Amankwa ya wono wa danse North eno no na anam so ama opanyi pa bia ne yemu ye no ohunu moborofo mobo ora owusu asari wakwa ye eye wono ma ye papa eni wode nkonwa bi wode pen ma set eno ne oma hodo pi akwa ma desuafo a wono e wa danse North mensini mu se wono ye kakra wono so e wono no na eno mu no yamane boni ba wa bedu eno opanyi enso di nkomo
Women about the idea, we shall develop countries now. Oh, imagine the international the young people themselves. We cool a Benson North, at least a Caribbean, and make about Tommy, yes, you're in the village, and now, yes, you're Baba Show. We actually said, you will see a young woman, because some of the challenges are not the so that teachers' quarters. It's a major teacher, you be quite enough for the idea. Make on a diamond, at least, yeah, the back end. Let's leave you but the better to us for any one of the same would say, at least in your 3 quarters, dear, at least teachers may say, be quite a bit now. I will inquire if it's a war bouncing off. We didn't say a bit me up one. Chamkalani, I said, oh, jeans and woman and a man. Sabio, and me, so done it, I will, but the baby, and Cassandra, or done it to Butumia. Yeah, you Butum. But it's me, Tankolani, say, Omunisha, but you will be a fire, you said, or show. That's your Kakane, a Buaka credit me at Yabwa, and from Bua, so that Polani in our meeting, and in our
was away or also asari ya wano ekotom adeshia ewo adanse north mensini mo efa na homa suamu no ene yamane boni ba wa bedu edebesum ye
we kasia no ni afa no hot bite no eno anu asugusu awutie no nia enam SOMPA FM no SOMPA TV so ene affiliate ni nyina na sabre ya nso okọ abenase olele information center eno wo so aso ba bia ba wa bedu kwa fa wa monsem baaye no wamu so abie mu ku ha ya wamu ti a na chese kasia no age ba bia sanse wam se ye nyina ye tie SOMPA eno nti ye gusu wa ngomasua num na no na onumnyafo Haruna Idrisu wade ba mantre so sa na so ya no wamanya financial clearance ya mo fa de suafo be se mpem nson na omu bi portal no pani behwe ase enkrane a ya wo matikodi ja to om so wo mu dimirika se ya obi omo fa nipa 7000 pe no wo mu kohwe ya portal no so nipa ewura so nko ano wo mbro 40000 eno kra ma nkrosu na nka portal no nka boye kasi nyina tutuye na no na manfo akasa ho ama na no krampo Teacher Training Association of Ghana TTAG for wa mu ya ho nsantrefo nhye mu kra friend na don pon teacher kwesi wa maje no fa nkwama onumnya for Haruna Idrisu no kan chese 7000 ne die esu akura na sane wo kansa adanse mfimfini ho suku dan bi ho kra wo munya teacher for mo nkogina mu enkwatira nkoda na de no o fa 7000 na ma enfo no bekwa kwatira danse for na de sana onumnya for Haruna Idrisu no wotie SOMPA eno nti wateye onu waka che teacher for say munya adwobre 7000 no wo befa bi aka ho.
Particularly when health workers got 15,000 and education got 7,000. There are more schools, probably hospitals. So government will work to up the numbers. A healthy and a happy worker makes a productive worker. Taking note of the demands for blind teachers are also teachers. It means we should give a quota to persons with disability in our teacher recruitment. That President Mahama and government can do and will do. President Mahama will work to resolve the emerging energy crisis that he will fix in order to enhance productivity. Conditions of service will work at it. The President have already announced independent enrollment committee. And then for me, what was instructive today was GRIDCO. They were very educative with their placards that don't undertake work without holding safety standards.
Wauno enti sani na anu waka sa dondom ne ba jai no sa dondom ne jaya ye betimi anya teacherfo bebre amama kwa kira de na 7000 de ono akro nim se sani wato bo aboso na ta so enkotwo enti aban befa bia ka ho na oti dede bia na wa chire na ne ya o asante mantamu bra no mu di mede ni bi no e na odi sansem we nyina wa friends antwerefo a wode to wo manim
efutuo akọ ediama asofo afei wamo a wamo ye nyamedwuma e wo man yimu se wamo entu wa de shefo emfa ahonidie ho esanse okenkan kire no kora wamo kire mu se said ye cleanliness is led to godliness no wudi huni a ni nyina eka nyamesompa ho opani a wakasai eyeswani a wono wo hwe esom na afei gidie ho nsem so mekire onanyafo Ahmed Ibrahim banda emra hyebedwani no wone semtrofo ade ahia anu akire mu se sofu bi ho no mu na se wo hia na asore ma no na wo kanyame asem akire wo mu a na Yesu do sisafiri wakwambone ho sisafiri wakwambone ho na ya na se wo mu refi esise de Yesu do no sa na wo so wo sa wo do yonko love your neighbor as yourself entini sebi mendi uyonko awu sebi ahonidie no a aya na yese waso dan no eno na Yesu waso dan ne ye woni padua enti di ni padua ni no aya no hwe baabi kura wodi ni padua no etena sebi aya wodi ni padua na tie no efin ka fin eho wo so de a wo ye bola ema no eye ho basa na wakotenam na watu aduane ade ama ade hye wose asofo no emprichi yiye efa nkire wo mo nsore ma no wo ni wo huni enu ti na aban no ade bosumi bia meminde edi kan ese ye fasiesie monten so ensole ma no wo mo asofo no nyafo Ahmed Ibrahim se mo nsole ma no aya wo mo ma sanitation cleaner pesticides wo mo ma wo mo twan hu sese no nsia ene ye hya ase a wo no mo twan ama no du ya ye ba wie no ansa no mo ba ba bie wo mo so to we wo to trusra sofo no e kira nyankopon ya domo a ye cleaner pesticides empotamu bia monje wo mo advert no na bibia enkoyie na ensore ma no wo no mo entimi emeprapra montentete gotem
I wish to issue a clear and urgent call to the good people of Ghana, to every pastor, to every reverend minister, make sanitation a consistent part of your preaching calendar. Dedicate at least one message per month to environmental stewardship. When you preach to your congregation about holiness, include holiness of their surroundings. When you preach about love for neighbor, include the love that keeps the daughter's flame, so that one's neighbor or one's home does not get flooded. To every member of this congregation, participate actively in the National Sanitation Day. On the first Saturday of every month, organize your members. Some people go and they stand alone, waiting for 10 o'clock for the team to leave before they open their shops. The National Sanitation Day is all inclusive. Everybody must be part of it. At least it is just a civic duty that you are performing. One day every month. The Bible says for lack of vision, the people perish. Now we have the dictionaries and we have given the vision. So we will not perish.
Ochire mu bion se ansan ya de obetu ebia o manya no ana asode no e wose hu obi a wutumi wo ye obi a wutimi ehya ho so na wo ahohyeso na wanso wutimi ebo ho so na ne nyina mo no ana no a maame Dr. Mary Awusi waka asem bi afa Church of Pentecost chairman chairman nyameche ho nsam no na wohwemu asadia wo man Ghana man Penis Excellency Yewra John Dramani Mahama efren se da bi mawura asam na wo kan ye no wan kan yie entine pachaw ya wo pachaw no sape pepe ene wo sesa wo ye panini a wo ye.
We have a president who is disciplining his own members. Where I will say, go, call Apostle Nyamite, apologize to him. That was a presidential directive. But chief of staff also followed. The national chairman, I said you can also call Apostle Nyamite and apologize and send a text message. So the politicians are aware of the voice of the public and they know the potency of the voice. With this, the church must take advantage of this stand when you have your own who appreciate and value your power. And therefore, I call on members not to believe you. Call you and apologize. To condemn them publicly. To send text messages to you and apologize. It tells you as a country we appreciate the Christian council and we know without you we are going nowhere.
Shrane kura kase minimi wine ana minwine so eni mene enti ne wone no bia ya wona bia wo masoa ye usase mesi ano benten eni ni opani okasa ye yi eye oswani a wono wo hye eye local government afa chieftaincy religious affairs osanso ye mrahye bedwani e de ma de hye wo mo e wo banda ba ton pesua so onanyafo Ahmed Ibrahim ye gina yeso abusua yesere otwen yen kase ni pi wachiri ye basisia.
Brush your teeth every day and night, up and down and all around. Brush the feeling bright. Brush your teeth. Brush with mom and dad. Underneath and in between, brush the germs away.
Pepsodent, cavity protection.
For 10 times stronger.
This advert is FDA approved.
TV Emma Aketiapa.
No kwasempa Emma Aketiapa. Ya den sam no kwa kopie mu ewo amanone. Amanone nsem no US Defense Secretary wano ana ni position ya no mo War Secretary no. Ni din no ya na mo ka mo say Peter Hexet, but ni din Pete. Enti Pete Hexet. Wano na ya ka say na wo kopie America senators no wano mo anim ana no mo ne ebusebusa no nsansan kwa kwamra hyebedwafie na ya toto wano. And one was answer say, Sir, ceasefire. No, one of the buy and one deadline. Yes, for in ano. And once
we are in a ceasefire right now, which our understanding means the 60-day clock pauses or stops in a ceasefire. We're right at the 60-day deadline. Is the president intending to either seek congressional authorization for the war in Iran or send us the legally required certification that he needs an additional 30 days to remove U.S. forces from the war? On Iran, Ultimately, I would defer to the White House and White House counsel on that. However, we are in a ceasefire right now, which our understanding means the 60-day clock pauses or stops in a ceasefire. You're not in. Yeah. It's our understanding, just so you know.
Okay, well, I do not believe the statute would support that. I think the 60 days runs maybe tomorrow, and it's going to pose a really important legal question for the administration. We have serious constitutional concerns, and we don't want to layer those with additional statutory concerns. I yield back, Mr. Chair.
When Pete Hexet and we copy senators, no one him now Democratic senator, I go friends Tim Kine. One of one a cassette out way. Was sitting in our candy. I said, one more Yakan, we have Chrissy baby. Trump no obey no and then obey. Never so bam Rasebjum. I beg you to me for. So what do you quay we one day one said I knew. Now so Pete Hexet say 60 days no dear. Abashasie, Nashasie, see a ceasefire no, ain't it? Say ceasefire in your corner, we not 60 days, you know, now Shasia County. When you know, woman Iran, woman talk on one, woman to a mamma, Rasebja mamma, to me, and son one econo. And home Comaka was secretary, what they are quite to gay.
I was here watching here, Janan and some no, you didn't know, SCA. Yana button a second kind, some of them are one no AME. AKOSUA AGYEIWAAH KWODIE buatin. Many.
OBREMPONG-NANA. KWAKU AMPOMAH. What am I going to do? Enemy aba.
ABENA BADU ADEPA KOFIE abusia da munyina mu ase. Dwumedie foforo etwa so Prophet Mango Day.
Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo Heba Clinic Accra.